Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Instagram if something went wrong. Now first of all, open your settings on your mobile phone and go to your apps or applications and search in Instagram. Now as you can see, I'm searching Instagram and opening up the app info of the Instagram. Go to stories and at the bottom screen you'll see clear data. Click on it and clear cache and hit OK. After you have cleared all the cache, then it would be working fine. And if it is still showing that something went wrong, then take a screenshot of that pop-up and go to your profile. Click on these three bars that is on top right corner and click on settings and privacy. Scroll down all the way to the end and click on help. And click on report a problem and report problem without checking. And click on include and continue. And send your screenshot here with writing briefly saying something went wrong and send. After that, the Instagram customer service will reply you after some while, or it will take some days. And that's how you fix this problem. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.